there, welcome to Rockstar Vegan Recipes. I'm Brooke, and today we're going to be making possibly the world's best vegan banana bread, with chocolate chips, of course. The first step to making this banana bread is taking a quarter cup of vegan milk and mixing in a teaspoon and a half of apple cider vinegar. And we're just going to set that aside. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of canola oil, and mix it together with electric mixers. Now we're going to mix in 3 mashed, very, very ripe bananas, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and the milk and apple cider vinegar mixture, which has curdled up, and that's what we want. Now I'm going to mix that all together. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of quick oats, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1¼ teaspoons of baking powder. And of course, chocolate chips. Half a cup of vegan chocolate chips. And we're just gonna mix it all together until it's well combined. Now that it's combined, I'm going to spread the banana bread mixture into an oiled loaf pan. And now I'm going to bake it in an oven that has been heated to 350 degrees. I'm just using a little toaster oven. You're going to bake it for 45 minutes, then insert a knife into the banana bread. If it comes out clean, it's finished baking. If it comes out gooey, it still needs a few minutes longer to bake. I just took the banana bread out of the oven. It was in there for 45 minutes when I tested it with a knife, but the knife came out a little bit gooey, so I left it in for another 5 minutes, and here it is. So you just need to check with the knife yourself at the 45-minute point to see if it's done or not. But I'm just gonna let it cool. It looks and smells delicious, and then once it's cool, I'm gonna taste it. All right, so here is the world famous banana bread.
The world's greatest banana bread only.
Just gonna spread some vegan butter on it.
None for you. Chocolate chips are not good for doggies.
Really good. Really good. Rockstar quality?
Rockstar quality.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you'll give this world famous banana bread a try. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And click on the little bell to stay tuned for more weekly recipes. Thanks.
This is some good